So the parking elevators here at Metro Market in Shorewood, Wisconsin. There's some ThyssenKrupp Endura to ride. This is a Retake. Here's the separate button for the big elevator. I don't know why it's still broken. This one still might be broken. I think I noticed it was working before, but in a different video. Here it is. See? Here we go. Here at D. A1. Lanterns outside. I believe the other one is still broken. Let's get a cab view. Same thing like the main elevators. Too bad I couldn't film the big one because I don't know why it's not working. Sucks the fan is back on now. Mr. Security watching. Doing indicator. Map ES buttons. 5,000 pound capacity, which was formerly a 4,500 pound capacity. I don't know why they changed the capacity number. It's a little bigger than 4,500 pounds. Yeah, but I think this elevator is still broken. There it goes, and that's it.